Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So as promised, I'm giving you an update of the craft room. There's not a lot to show. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is an ongoing process. Basically, it's an Ikea upgrade, and yeah, it looks like there's stuff everywhere because it is. I had to pull lots of stuff out of their quote-unquote hiding places, and it's sitting on my craft table so that the Ikea could come in. And I had the floor clear, but now I'm bringing stuff back in the room and I'm sorting. For those of you that have been following, the only new changes are the second Kallax is now in and bolted to the wall. And then the two recollections units that were right there, one is currently out of the room. The second one is now in this closet. So this is this situation over here right now. And oh, there's my youngest, or my younger son. My babies, they're all grown now. But one of them is now right here. And then once I get the other side of the closet cleared out and ready to go back in, the second one of those will go in the same spot on the other side. So when I mean I have stuff everywhere, I do. And then that door is coming off. I'll have another stack of these going right there. And some people are like, well, is that enough room? Well, considering I haven't been able to access this side for quite some time, that'll be plenty of room. So, like I said, just a short update. You know, I had a little setback this weekend when I fell, but no, if you're new to my channel, I didn't fall because of the mess in my craft room. I have a bad back. I was going down the stairs and a cat got under my foot, so I slipped. And that's what happened with that. But, that's that. Like I said, the sorting has begun. This here, that's all either friend mail, giveaway, sell. This is stuff sitting out on our landing. So it's just, I want to get it, I need to get it done because it's all over the house and I'm ready to have my house back. So anyway, that's it guys, that's the update. Those who weren't here before, the last time they saw it, this case was in, but I don't think the drawer units were, and the top wasn't in yet. So yeah, so that's it guys. Love you guys to pieces. Have a good day. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.